In front of me is LG Velvet, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and here go to About Phone. Now locate and open Software Info and tap 7 times on build number. And afterwards, as you can see, you are a developer, so just let's go back. And now right here you will find developer options. Smoothly open them, and now you can use all the features and perform all the operations that are available here. So for example, if you would like to activate 4x MSA, tap just here, and now it is forced. Then you can turn it off the same way, and it works the same for every feature. So for example, if you would like to show GPU view updates, this is how it works right now. Then you can deactivate it the same way, and as you can see, it's no longer active. So this is it. Afterwards, you can smoothly switch off developer options by tapping on off, go back, and as you can see, they disappeared from the list. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.